ओ गॉड, वेजिटेरियंस के लिए तो कोई प्रोटीन का सोर्स ही नहीं है। सिर्फ दाल और पनीर ही खा के प्रोटीन की नीड्स पूरी करनी पड़ेगी। कितना दाल और पनीर खाऊं मैं, पक गई हूँ। ओ गॉड, even you must be thinking like this if you're a vegetarian, that you don't have any veg protein source apart from dal, paneer, soybean and etc. Majority of vegetarians face protein problem. Most of the vegetarians suffer from lack of protein that becomes protein deficiency after some time. There are so many vegetarian sources of protein foods that most of people are not aware. It's very sad to say that most of vegetarian people are forced to eat chicken, egg, mutton, fish and etc. so that they can fulfill their protein source by many health professionals also. So in this video, I'm going to share with you many vegetarian protein sources. Along with that, I will also tell you how much gram of protein you are getting from that particular food. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Myself Ruchita Maheshwari and I am nutritionist by profession. I am founder and director of Healthy Mantra. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest health and nutrition update. So without wasting more time, let's start today's video. Starting with the first one, green peas, also known as Hari Matar in Hindi, is capable of giving you 5 grams of protein in just half cup of green peas. Now you can have green peas as a sabji, or you can use the used boiled green peas in your salads. You can make parathas, you can add in plow. So there is so many ways to add green peas in your diet. Next veggie is potato. I know most of you will be shocked to hear this, but one medium potato in mostly dry form, little bit in dry form, which we call it as Indian Juna potato if you know about the new potato and little bit old potato. So I'm talking about the old potato. One medium potato is capable of giving you 4.3 grams of protein. So you can use potato in your way. Make sure that you're not deep frying it or you're not making it oily. You can consume potato twice or thrice a week in your routine. Make sure that you're cooking potato in a healthy and balanced way. Next is almond butter, which is much more healthy version if compared to salted butter. You also get a lot of nutrition in that. 2 tablespoons is capable of giving you 7 grams of protein. So next time when your kids ask for butter, you can give them much better healthy option, almond butter. On the next list, we have chia seeds. Chia seeds belong to basil seeds family, also known as sabja family. Just 3 tablespoons is capable of giving almost between 6 to 9 grams of proteins. Isn't that amazing? Small tiny seeds loaded with lots of protein. Do add this in your daily routine. You can add chia seeds in smoothies, you can sprinkle on your parfait, on your pudding, you can add them on your salads also, sprinkle them on your fruits. Enjoy in your way as you like. You can adjust the quantity of chia seeds as per your body requirement. You can include 1 tablespoon in a day, or you can include 2 tablespoons in a day. Maximum recommended chia seeds in a day is 3 tablespoons. Moving forward on the list, we have oats. Half cup of cooked oats is capable of giving 3.5 grams of protein. You can add plain oats as per your requirement in your daily routine. You can add, while kneading dough, whole wheat dough. You can add in smoothies. You can make upma. You can make oats halwa as well as a sweeter version using some healthy option of sweets. Moving forward, we have flax seeds. Flax seeds is also known as alsi ke beej in Hindi. Flax seeds not only provide omega-3 fatty acids, but flax seeds also provide proteins. Isn't that amazing? I'm sure most of you must be not knowing about this. 3 tablespoons of roasted flax seeds is capable of giving almost 6 to 8 grams of protein. Now you can add flax seeds as per your comfort and as per your liking. Roasted flax seeds are also beneficial in PCOS women. Next is spirulina. I'm sure less people must be aware about spirulina. Spirulina is one of the powerful superfood which not only clean your body from inside, but it also provides at the same time protein source. Now all of you must be thinking, what is spirulina? Spirulina is green blue algae which has plant-based protein source. So just 1 teaspoon of spirulina powder is capable of giving almost 4 grams of protein. Now you can use spirulina in your smoothies, or if you're making a morning, body detox drink, you can make infused water out of it. You can add in your pudding. Moving forward to the last but not the least is cowpea, also known as black eye pea. It is also known as chauli in Hindi, which is most famous and most common in Indian kitchen, but less people are aware about it. Just half cup of cooked cowpea gives you 13.5 grams of protein. So this can be really good source of protein to fulfill your daily protein requirements. Now you can combine this chauli with maybe rice or maybe roti or maybe quinoa or maybe couscous or maybe dalia, etc. so that you get complete protein source. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and notification bell icon so that you don't miss even a single update. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care of yourself.